Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a clear reference clip and the target clip you need to match. Open DaVinci Resolve and set the timeline color space to Rec. 709 or the project standard. This avoids mismatches later. Once done, enable scopes, waveform, parade RGB, and vector scope to give you objective data. Next, normalize exposure roughly with a primary lift/gamma/gain pass so you're comparing color, not brightness. Make sure clips are playing at full resolution. Once your clips are normalized, use the parade to match luminance. Tweak lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Then switch to the curves and hue vs hue to nudge color tint. Small moves produce big changes, so work in increments. Use hue vs sat to control saturation pockets and the color wheels for global shifts. Check skin tones on the vector scope and nudge toward the skin line if needed. Keep toggling the reference viewer on and off to verify progress. You finish by refining with secondary corrections. Create power windows and qualifiers to isolate problem areas like skin or a green screen. Once isolated, adjust only those regions with dedicated nodes so the rest of the image stays consistent. Apply subtle filmic or LUT normalization if both clips need similar contrast compression. Finally, render a short test clip and compare frame to frame against your reference. If colors drift, recheck color management and GPU driver settings. Troubleshoot by disabling LUTs and re-evaluating nodes in order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.